Welcome to Pro Transfers. I'm going to show you quickly how you can remove the background from your PNG or raster files. So I'm going to pull in a file that somebody sent me. It's a PNG with the background. You can see that right here because that white space shows up. Now all I'm going to do is go to our PreFlight. I'm going to launch PreFlight, and then I'm going to open that same image right here. And then the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to go to remove color over here on the left. It's going to bring up this dropper. I'm going to select the white, and it's going to remove that. Now to double check that, you can click down here on like the dark and see how that went. And as you can see, there's still a little bit of white edge in that semi-transparent pixel. So what you can do is use this little bar to grab just a little bit more variance of that white and get to the point where you like that. And then the next step would be to download. You're going to get that edited image there. Go back to the original site, remove the one you originally dropped in, and then drop in your edited image. Set the size, the quantity, add it to your cart, and you're good to go.